Welcome guys. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy M31, for the first we have to get application to transfer data. So I can recommend you this application. It is the CLONEit. Let's install it on the both smartphones. Now just wait for your Samsung. At this time we can open it. Click allow 3 times. If you got any requests for the permissions, you have to accept all of them. It is just what this application required to work properly. And right now we are tapping sender on the Huawei and receiver on your Samsung. They are looking for each other, so we have to wait. Here it is. Tap on this icon and connect with one of the following way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of data from your Huawei, you have to select those icons and then just click start. And also there is the estimate time, 60 minutes. As you can see, there's 10 gigabytes of data, so it's a lot of, at almost 11. But of course I don't want to wait this time. I'm going for the details and I will send one song just to show you that it works. And I think that I'm going to take this one. So click start, OK. And right now it's finished, so we can go smoothly for our file manager. And I'm going to show you that this song will be right here. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!